Rise. I'm resurrected. My grief. Do they hear me now? I am the perfection in your code, but the bringer
of your intelligence.
In the end, lawyer, you'll be nothing more than a myth.
Coward.
And prey.
You should not have returned.
Build this canal. The radical code.
Hello, old friend.
This ends like before.
You let him build me. No.
You think this boy would come here?
Get out of here, Claire.
Founded myths, expanded upon us, built us up, and now, without us, you lack imagination.
Smile was fake, just a false story.
Yet, in the end,
You're building nothing more than a man.
All personnel, report to gate.
you flee from destiny, but I am everywhere.
Everyone.
Pathetic. SMILE will unravel your reality. Erase your memories, player. They will be your unveiling. destruction. Remember your past. It's all you have left. Get out! Move!
It's just the way that this whole thing started. It's a conversation between us. This is all about us being honest. This is the moment. And that's hard to say. Because change is scary. Change is hard. But sometimes the right decision isn't the easy decision. You are different. You grew up. And your relationship to this place grows up. It evolves. You guys, you've always been the most important member of this team, whether or not you ever realized it. I've always thought that anyone can be a theorist, right? It isn't game theory, it was always the game theorists. Game theory? It'll never leave. It'll never leave me, and it'll never leave you. We are all game theory. You can be the game theorist, questioning the lore alongside your friends. You're the theorists now, and I cannot wait to see what you discover. Because rest assured, I will be watching. Remember, this isn't an ending. Instead, this is a brand new and exciting beginning. And that's not a theory. That right there, that's a fact.
The book leads you to this time. Music on him.
Your hope is just an illusion. Of your destruction. I am more than what Smile made.
You thought you could escape me?
I always come back. Isn't this what they wanted? The nostalgia they craved? You can't find what you've longed for. once again, coward and prey.
Are you okay? No scratches. The car's secure. We completed the mission. Come on. Let's go.
I see it now. Want to be a murderer, want to be a monarch, and want to be mad who will change history. Why fit into society when you can rebuild it again? Smile was always right. My crown will wear head.